welcome to LA Editor, Alabama King. I just wanted to give a happy Father's Day shout out to all the great dads out there and let you all know that we're working with one of the best music libraries in Los Angeles. Signature Tracks, award-winning composers whose music has been heard all over the globe, in movies, TV shows, and now on LA Editor, Alabama King. So if you're looking for music, check them out at signaturetracks.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because all new content with all new music is on the way. And finally, happy Father's Day to the greatest dad I could have asked for. 84 years old, a practicing trial lawyer, and he's still driving the tractor. This nut couldn't have asked for a better tree. Love you, Dad.